How to secure environment clearance for your construction project. Welcome to Mahabal Enviro Engineers. Today, we will guide you through the steps to obtain environmental clearance (EC) for your building and construction project. The Environmental Impact Assessment (EIA) notification of 2006 and its amendments define the environmental clearance (EC) process. Understanding the basics. Determine the category of your project based on the size, location, and potential environmental impact as per the EIA notification guidelines. The EC process has multiple stages. Building and construction projects are categorized into two types. Category B1 requires an Environmental Impact Assessment (EIA) report. Category B2 does not require an EIA. Once the project concept is finalized, the proponent must submit Form 1 along with the proposed terms of reference (TOR) to the Environmental Impact Assessment Committee (EIAC) for review. Scoping and evaluation. Projects in Category B and Item A are assessed based on Form 1 or Form 1A. However, projects located near protected areas or environmentally sensitive zones are reclassified as Category A for stricter evaluation. For large-scale projects, a well-structured TOR is crucial, specifically for building projects exceeding 150,000 square meters and township developments covering more than 50 hectares. Appraisal and approval. During the appraisal stage, the Committee for Environmental Appraisal (CEA) reviews the draft EIA report. Once approved, the clearance certificate is published on the State Pollution Control Board (SPCB) website, the Pollution Control Committee (PCC) portal, the project proponent's official website. Compliance and monitoring. After obtaining clearance, submit a compliance report every 6 months. Implement a robust environmental monitoring plan. Publish the clearance notice in newspapers. Ensure adherence to all environmental laws and regulations. Validity and extensions. The Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change (MOEFNCC) had previously extended the validity of environmental clearance from 5 years to 7 years as per Office Memorandum dated 12 April 2016. Further extended to 10 years as per Office Memorandum dated 12 April 2022. To obtain environmental clearance (EC) for a project, the application must be submitted through the Parivesh portal of MOEFNCC. New user registration. Expert consultation and conclusion. To minimize risks of rejection and save costs, seek guidance from experienced environmental consultants throughout the process. Check the details below for professional assistance.